Okay, this is a supplement to the previous video. Here on the computer I'm just playing a frequency sweep from 400 to 6000 Hertz in 30 seconds. It's a sinusoidal variation, and this is the same transmission unit that we showed in the that was discussed in the previous video. And here I have on the phone 96 megahertz playing in the speaker. So I just wanted to do a frequency sweep and show you how that worked. And let me play that. It's from here. What was the sound you're hearing from? Apparently, the when you're playing tones, it is extremely very clear. I don't understand why, because if you see the other video where I was playing a song, there was a little bit of, even though it was pretty clear, there was a little bit of noise. It was induced, but if you're playing pure tones, pure sinusoidal or square waves for that matter, it just happens so that it is very clear. The transmission, look at this, look at the sound that you're able to hear. It's pretty clear, even if you take it to faraway ranges also. It's like the tone that is playing, it's loud and clear, but I don't know why superposition is somehow affecting that. So awesome. So that's about it. Bye.